I bet you don't know half of what's in your vitamins, or where they are made. Let's crack open the truth about Divine. First of all, Divine is made in Ontario, Canada, and Divine supplements are packed with the good stuff our body craves. First up, the French maritime bark extract supports our overall well-being. Glutathione, the master antioxidant, supports our cardiovascular, aids in liver health and detoxification. Vitamin C, the ultimate immune booster, keeping those sniffles at bay. Next, we've got vitamin D3, your sunshine in a bottle, helping your bones and mood stay strong. Feeling tired? It all starts with a healthy gut, so say hello to zinc, your trusty sidekick that aids our digestion system. Vital for taste and smell, and supports our nervous system. And don't forget about grapeseed extract, the unsung hero for lowering our risk for type 2 diabetes, improves our vision, and supports the collagen in our skin, along with strengthening our immune system and cell protection. This, wrapped up in enteric-coated capsules for optimal absorption in the small intestine. Here's the kicker: no artificial fillers or weird chemicals, just pure, clean ingredients. So why settle for mystery ingredients when you can have clarity with Divine? Where do you buy Divine? shop.opulence.com/bellaBALAS. There you have it. The truth, plain and simple. If you want more information, watch the attached video on Divine. It dives deeper into the research and more benefits, so you can be confident Divine is good for your body. Take Divine, and let nature's best do the rest. Stay healthy, stay happy.